Today we're going to be installing a GF Controls RTK steering system in our 8120 Combine. Here it is in the box. The wheel, the controls, steering motor, wire harness, receiver. Very cute. If you're interested in one, I'm going to leave my Instagram linked in the bio, or the description of this video, I mean. And just send me a message on Instagram. I'll set you up with the right people. So they're a pretty good unit. We're gonna have 2 of them on the farm here pretty quick, and my dad's got one. We're getting a few of them out. So if you're looking for a reasonably priced, well built, easy to use steering system, hit me up. Now to the video. There should be some somewhere, ain't there?
I know there's some in the Montezuma box.
Yeah, for sure the Montezuma. This might work though. This will at least let us know what size it is. That's too big. What's that? 1 1/8. What do you got there?
Bigger. So it must be metric or something.
So it's either metric or 1 1/16. Dylan, just drive the red pickup around here, because it's got toolbox in it yet, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Step 1 is remove this steering wheel, and then I think you slide the motor on, and then the new steering wheel.
Yeah, just figure out what's
Yeah.
what adapter you need.
So you got to get this nut off, then figure out what adapter you need. Yep. We'll get it figured out.
Back up.
Okay, so we're removing the nut on the wheel. Then I suppose you got to pull this fucker off. I think you need the puller. Where's Duggo when you need him? Or wait, he pulled the whole column out, didn't he? Yeah. Do you think we can pull that? What about a hammer?
You can try.
Okay, give me a hammer.
I don't know if we have
Puller
a
that.
pull from.
Sure, we don't, do we? I'll see if I can move it up with a hammer a little bit. Sure, that'd be alright.
Probably would be a good idea.
Or a 8-pound mini sledge, I don't care. Too big. Oh man. I don't know if this is right or not. I'll go see if it. Right, it just needs to get fixed up a little bit, huh?
Like the left side got a little smash.
Right. Well, it's almost like a fent. There we go, must not be too bad. I'll let that fucker start back on there though. Okay, I'm going to talk about that. So you guys put this adapter on. I don't know what you call it. Collar, maybe. That humdinger just slides right on there, huh? Is that the bottom? Well, it sure as fuck must be. Must be kind of tight. Biting a little bit. Okay, so I got a little room to go. Dare I?
I just run her down.
Dare I?
Slowly,
Alright.
but
I'm blaming you if it strips it out. Not good. Need to get this thing to fit on there first. I promise you it's not this hard. Nobody will also have luck like we do. Everything's always a struggle around here for us. Oh. Alright, so I gotta go to a board meeting that I completely forgot about. It's at 2, the Northeast Research Farm, but I think Skylar and Dylan can handle the install. Hopefully they get some decent footage for me while I'm screwing around. The old John Deere's still here, if anybody wants to demo it. Alright.
got all this mounted up. Ran the wires across the back of the cab into this fuse box. I don't know if it's the right way to do it, but that's the way we're doing it. Just glares there. Fancy. Should hit accept on there. Huh. Yeah. Figure out how to do all the measurements. Got this thing all mounted up. This is where it's going to be for now anyway. We can move it around a little bit. It's on the ram mounts and whatnot. Got the wires all tied together in this loom we had. I don't know. Pretty clean. Got the antenna wire running out the door and the power wire running back behind here where we showed you. I don't know. Seems like it's working. Got the steering wheel all put on earlier. Yeah, I don't know. See, probably tomorrow I'll do all the measurements and calibrations we need to do on it and get it ready for wheat harvest here. Not too far away now.
Did you show them the finished project?
Finished as it was yesterday.
It's going there.
And we undid everything and redid it.
Well, we didn't quite undo everything.
Small.
So we're moving the switches down here instead of up here, and then we moved the display over as far as we could. So we're about done. Well, that's how you do that. I was trying to figure that out a little bit ago. So we're extending these switch wires, or harness, whatever you want to call it, to
Because Casey doesn't want to reach up here.
because Casey he's lazy and doesn't want to reach up there. How am I supposed to
It's not a necessity.
play on Instagram, fly my drone, and record for YouTube if I gotta reach clear up here all the time? Turn the other steer on. It's a lot of work. I don't even really know how to operate without a phone in my hand at this point in my life.
Never quits ringing long enough to put it down.
Did you hear that? That's true. It never does quit ringing. Actually, the day's been pretty quiet after dinner now. Everybody got their P's and Q's out. So look at this. I wish they still put ashtrays and things. So I could just sit up in here and rip darts all day long. Fucking, that'd be great. Like back in the old days, smoking Marlboro Reds.
Felt like that outside 10 minutes ago.
What's that? Oh yeah, it did. Yeah, the smoke kind of cleared out for sure. All right, first thing we gotta do is enter some measurements. So we're gonna go through that. It's pretty cut and dry. It's actually really simple. So we got done moving these around. So the engage buttons here, power buttons here. That way you're just not up here all the time. So gotta do some measuring. We gotta drive a little bit. Oh wait, hold tractor stationary for 10 seconds. Whoops. Perfect. Set A.
She's over there.
Okay. Give me 100 feet. There we go. I don't know quite how far you're supposed to go, but I'd imagine going further is better. I'm out of room, Skyler. I'm out of room. Probably have to recalibrate it in the field. But we'll get our...
What does that mean by stay 30 meters ahead?
I'm not really sure. I know you hit start after that. I remember doing that on my dad's 4850. Correcting. It'll get better. We'll just have to calibrate it a couple times.
I think that needs maybe.
Yeah, it definitely does. This calibration failure. We probably don't have enough room. Let me see if I can start back over here. You really need a little bit of room for these things. We don't have anywhere to go with it either, do we? I'll try to like swing around and back up. We gotta restart it. Oh, I don't want to do that. Once I do a couple of these, I'll get them figured out. Don't you? Sure. It's been since January since I did the last one. Oh, gonna get in trouble. Driving through the grass. Alright, let's get past Dylan's car. I don't have to buy him a new Jetta. Where's it gonna take us? There, now it's doing better.
Except you're gonna run out of room again.
I know.
Yeah, you did okay. Just in time.
Great success.
You did 100 feet.
Yeah. Come on. What happened? Did I already break it?
Believable.
What's that?
That's believable that you did.
Oh, I didn't break it. You just gotta hit the back button. Alright, now we want to go back to the main page. And I think if you hit... Oh wait, I want to actually set a field though. Oh, there's my line. How come the combine's not showing up? Somewhere there should be a fun little... Alright, we're going to call this one... how do you add a new job? I forget. We need to set the... Hey, there it is. It's a swather. How come the switching? Yeah, that's not bad at all. The only thing I wish it did have was a... Like, you can't just...
Oh, you can't grab it.
Right. You gotta remember to flick it off.
You'll get there in the first day.
That it was just like the easy steer where you had to reach up and we just need more room in this joint.
So are you planning to take that head trailer out west then, or is he coming to get it? That
My cousin?
guy? Yeah.
He'll probably come get it, I think. Why?
I just didn't know if you planned on like throwing it on the car trailer or something.
If it would fit, I guess that would be an option, wouldn't it? Well, that'll be it for today's video. We got it all installed. We got it how we like it. We're putting it in the shed. And when we get it back in, or when we get an actual opened up field, we'll do a little more calibrating on it. It'll work really good then. So we installed the GF Controls RTK auto steer system in our 8120 combine. Originally, I was going to put a Pro 700 Plus in it, but I wanted to put one in something that I'm going to use a lot the rest of the year, and that just happens to be this combine. So I can really get familiar with the product. I can really talk about it a lot, and hopefully we can get a lot more of these out on farms in the coming months, right? So the boys did most of the work. It's a pretty easy install. It's a pretty simple calibration, but there's one thing I forgot to do, and I promised Marcel that I would do this. I forgot to take the last screen protector off so it has no glare. There's no sun glare on the screens if you take the last screen protector off. So I'm going to do that right now. So I think most of this video was filmed, or most of this stuff was filmed last week, Thursday. Today is July 14th. It's Monday, and I've been fighting with a sprayer since Saturday. So we think we've narrowed it down. I'm just adding this to the end. We think this wire harness right here might be bad. So naturally I had to investigate. I cut it open. Can't really find any broken wires, but it goes clear back up in here and all the way along here. So we'll have to, Dylan's coming from Mitchell. It was 2.5 hours away. He's coming, should be back here pretty quick. And we'll just drape that thing across here and see if we can make it work. Because right now, no work. And I really, really, really need to spray. I've burned up 3 of the best spray days we've had all year. Fucking around.